Hi team, Mike, Oldfellas Travels. Well, things are looking up. I've got the cruise back now. I got it back nearly 4 days later than what it's meant to. I planned to get away this weekend, but that hasn't happened because it took a little bit longer to do the car. They told me on Tuesday they needed pretty much the rest of the week. But that's all done and sorted, and she's looking pretty good, so we'll have a quick look. She's come up pretty tidy. Now I do love this cruiser. It's going to be a shame to sell it, but it is what it is. You know, I'm 67 and I've been pretty crook, and I've got a bit of medical work to do to get myself back on track. The old joints aren't what they used to be, and I really don't need the cruiser as it is now. You know, I don't do that sort of rough going anymore. So she's up for sale, and I'll get myself something else, but she's a great bus. She's looking real good. Brand new set of Yokohama Geolander XATs. Oh, what a great toy they are. A couple of young fellas driving past, give the old fella a bit of oi. How are you toys? How you going? Oldfellas Travels, eh? Beauty. Have a good day. Right, there we go. Okay team, so while I'm here, there's something I just want to have a quick show of, mini review I suppose, but about 6 months ago now, I take Starlink everywhere with me. I wouldn't be without it. And I used to have the Starlink carry case, which it's really good, protects it really well, but it's big and it's bulky, and it does make for quite a heavy kit. But Drifta, and you know I'm a fan of Drifta. I love Drifta stuff. So Luke Sutton came up with an idea for a bag for the Starlink, and I just want to quickly show you. So that's pretty much the bag when she's packed up. This great clear top, really easy to carry around, and it just fits the Starlink in just perfect. So we'll have a bit of a look. So there she's unzipped. You can see she's got a fair bit of red dirt on her because she's spent her time in the gold fields and done a fair bit, but you really need a way to store the Starlink gear away and store it so it's got some protection, but you need something that's, you know, relatively compact and doesn't take up a great deal of room. You know, so you can see that look, we've got the cable here. What I generally do with the cable, because it's very long, is I've had the cable rolled out to about how long I need it, and then I just put a couple of cable ties on, and it keeps the bulk of it sort of fairly rolled up. So there's the cable there, which just sits in the side there. In here, really, you know, nice padded bag, and inside the bag we've got our modem, and inside the bag's got the modem. It's got it's nicely lined, this bag, you know, feels like it's double lined and nice and cushioned. So that's the modem, goes in there. Then you've got another little pouch at the end here. That's your power supply that runs to your modem for the power supply. And then you've got the dish in here with this, you know, really nice cover. And this is padded also. You can see there's your dish there. My dish has done a fair bit of hard work. It's been blown out a couple of times by the wind, but needs good clean. Bit stained with the red dust. You can see nice bag there, really keeps it nice and covered. And then basically the base just basically, you know, will sit in the bottom there underneath. It's a great bag, plenty of room, really robust. The other thing I do like is in the bottom there's a piece of what would it be, 5mm ply maybe, but there's a piece of marine ply, I think it is, in the bottom there with a cover on it. Makes for a nice firm base. So your padded satellite dish can sit on that, and it's got nice firm protection. But I know there's not much to the kits. It's just a couple of cables, your modem, and the dish. But you need somewhere to store it and somewhere you can put it away. And I find when that's packed up, it just fits beautiful just in the back there, because I take it everywhere I go. So you're aware, there's pretty much a Drifta in nearly every Drifta Stockton store in nearly every state now. I'm in WA, and they've got one at Canning Vale in Perth. Really well stocked store. They've got everything in there you could possibly need. the Drifta gear is really good, guys. Some of the canvas gear is some of the best I've bought. And I'd say not everything of mine's Drifta. I mean, every now and then there's a product you think, oh, that's good. But I'd say 99% of my stuff is 99% of my stuff is Drifta gear, because I love it and it's good gear, and a lot of it is well priced for what you get. I mean, it's not rubbish. You can go and buy cheap stuff if you want, but poor man buys twice, and I've been down that pathway and I ain't doing it again. And I really stick by the Drifta gear because I think it's great gear. So that's about it for today, team. The cruiser's back. Woohoo! Good old bus. She's back. It's got a great electrical system in here. I don't know. I did a review on my wagon a long time ago, but some things have changed. But full electrics. The Egon hub. I mean, these are a great bit of kit made by Perth Pro Auto here in WA at Bayswater. Egon hub is really a really good distribution point. If you want to know about it, go online and have a look. But I swear by this, I absolutely love it. It made wiring up so easy. And there's also a relay hub as well. The next vehicle, I'll definitely use this again, and I might even use the relay hub because I'm going to have a bit more lighting on my next vehicle. But yeah, she's all wired up. For someone that's, I mean, she's a great beast, and she's fully equipped, ready to go. Whoever buys it is going to be picking up pretty good vehicle. It's been over serviced, and I really look after my vehicles mechanically. But yeah, that's it. But unfortunately I couldn't get away this weekend because of the late return of the cruiser. She's back in place. I'm getting her all loaded up and prepped today, and I'll be away, do a bit of fishing and have a bit of a look at the coast along the ways. Cheers, team. Time to get home and keep getting on with it. I need to get out of Perth, and I couldn't be happier to have the cruiser back, I've got to tell you. Oh, I'm going to miss her when I sell her. By the way, anybody that's interested in the cruiser, she's listed on carsales.com or whatever it is, and also on Marketplace and Facebook, and a couple of other sites as well. But if you're interested in a really good 76 cruiser, kitted out, ready to go for touring, set up as a two-seater with space in the back, this is the one. Thanks, guys. Stay subscribed. If you're watching me and you like the videos, give it a like. If you're not subscribed and you are taking a like to the videos, because the channel is going to change a little bit. It's sort of now, instead of all prospecting, it's going to be there's going to be a lot of things. All right, team, enough said. See you in the next one. Take it easy. We've had a little bit of rain here in the outskirts of Perth, and look forward to me being away. Look forward to my next video when I'm heading up the coast here. That's what it's about. See you guys.